What's up, U-Skillz Army? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some music the modern way. So first thing you're going to need is Grok or ChatGPT or whatever AI you're most comfortable with. You're also going to need Suno.com or another AI music generator. This is my favorite one. First thing you do is make an account with Suno, and you're going to click on the little music icon down here. And you can do either a simple song or a simple prompt or an advanced prompt. We're going to focus on the advanced prompt today. First thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to the advanced options and pick your voice, male or female. And then you're going to give your song a name. And for this one, we're going to go ahead and do Terrorize. Now you're going to go back to your AI buddy. I'm going back to Grok. And you're going to give it a prompt. What I like to do typically is give it 2 artists or 2 songs that I want it to focus on for style. And then I let it know what I want the song to be about. And you can go into great detail what you want it to be about, what you want the chorus to include, what you want each verse to be about. Make sure you let your AI buddy or Grok know that you're going to be putting this into Suno or your AI music generator, so it can make a very copy and pasteable response that you can just directly paste into Suno or whatever AI generator you want. Don't forget to include the name of your song, and after you're finished with your prompt, just hit send. And then after it's done generating the styles and the lyrics for you, you're going to copy all of it and go over to Microsoft Word or whatever notes document you have. I'm using my notes on my phone, and just copy it there. And from here you can edit the lyrics, you can edit the verses, edit the styles if you want. And then you will take what you've gotten from Grok and what you've edited and copy that, go over to Suno or whatever AI platform, paste the lyrics, paste the styles, and then you'll be ready to go and just hit create. And with Suno, it always gives you 2 songs to work with. And I like to listen to both of them all the way through, because sometimes Suno likes to take liberties and just go absolutely crazy at random points in the song. So you want to listen to the entire song before accepting which one you want. And after you figure out which one you want, you click on these 3 buttons here, click download. And since I have the free version, it gives me this little prompt, which is fine by me. But if you want to be able to have ownership of your songs, you're going to have to pay the premium, and you are ready to go. Just download your song, and if you want me to make a video about uploading it to YouTube, just let me know. Thank you guys very much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.